Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve can pin folders to quick access menu in Windows 10 computer. So quick access is a useful features in File Explorer that provides a shortcut to frequently used folders and recently accessed files. In common reasons for this problem is corrupted quick access or home files, registry entries, or other related issues within the Windows operating system. And then I'll show you on how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to uncheck show recommended sections. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run command. And once you open up here at run command, so here in box, then we need to type this command keyword control.exe space folder. And then you need to type this command keyword control.exe space folders and then click OK. And then pop up this File Explorer's option settings. So all you have to do here at General tab, and then you need now to select underneath here at Privacy. Then you can see this show recommended section here, like show recently used files in the quick access. So all you have to do is to uncheck. And the other one, show frequently used folders in quick access. So uncheck also. And then after that, then you need to click this restore default and then click apply, and then you need to click OK. Alright, so after here, the File Explorer's options, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to delete corrupted app data files. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type the CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to copy and paste this command keyword, del space /f space /q update a Microsoft Windows recent. So use keyboard shortcut Control+C. So copy this command, and then we need to paste in here Control+B and then press enter. And then the other one, so we need to copy again this next command keyword, update a Microsoft Windows recent automatic destinations, and then use keyboard shortcut Control+C, and then we need to paste in here and then press enter. And the last command keyword that we need to copy and paste, so this update a Microsoft Windows recent custom destinations. So use keyboard shortcut Control+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here Control+B and then press enter. And then after you enter this three command, and then we need to close the CMD, and then we need to restart this PC. On the power button of this PC, then you need to click this restart to fix this issue. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.